Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. If you are new here, my name is Patricia and welcome back to another video. For today's video, we are organizing my handbag collection. Nothing too crazy, but I wanted to share with you guys my process. So I did decide to purchase a Billy bookcase, say that 3 times fast, a Billy bookcase from IKEA for the base to store all my handbags in. I ordered the Billy bookcase slash Oxburg combination, which included the bookcase and then 2 glass doors, which was really affordable. Obviously, it was IKEA, so I ended up paying around $169 for that set. And you have the adjustable shelves, as you can see in the video. The assembly wasn't too bad. Some work, a couple of hours, but not too bad. I also got a little acrylic shelf to layer some of the bags in, and that was kind of my base. What I started with, I was happy with the overall assembly, and I did mount it to the wall just to be secure. So now let's get into the fun part, the bags. Woo! So obviously I had just moved, so all my bags were packed up, boxes, bags, a mess, and I just needed to get them out of these bags and onto a shelf where they belong to live happily. And this was a fun process, kind of going through all my bags and organizing them. So I'll probably just let you guys take a look at the organization and some of the bags. This is sort of my bag collection video as well, because I try to show you guys all the bags. Maybe I'll come back and give a little call out to some special numbers. Shout out to my Loewe puzzle that I love. I'm still obsessing over. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. This is another one I plan on breaking out this fall. This is the Bottega bag that I have in this dark brown, which is just perfect for this fall. I'm excited to get some wear out of this one. And as you can see, while I'm organizing, I'm definitely rearranging as I place the bags on the shelf to see which bag fits the best. Also, another bag that I plan on pulling out more, hopefully this fall time. I don't get enough wear out of this bag, but it's such a beautiful bag, the combination of the leather and the suede, which is trending this fall season. So again, another bag that I'm excited to get some wear out of is that Coach bag. This is my first designer bag purchase, so I have to shout out my Prada bag there, and it is a workhorse. I definitely get my cost per wear, but that will always be my baby and number one. If you don't know, now you know. Animal print is trending this fall season as well, and I will be breaking out my Brandon Blackwood bag. This is a gorgeous bag too.
Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Butterflies in my stomach, butterflies in my chest. Heartbeat like a bird that's humming. Trust your words cause you know me best. Let's take a walk down a brick road. Click your heels and you'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing.
Another color trending this fall is burgundy, this deep red, and I'm sorry I didn't give you guys enough attention to this Charles & Keith bag, but it is beautiful, and it's another one that I will be getting wear out of this season.
And I'll be saying, yeah.
This medium-sized Telfar bag is my travel bag, my go-to, one and only. It probably looks like it, but it holds so much and it's perfect for travel. I just love it for that, and I will keep using it until the wheels fall off.
Would that be cool? Yeah. girls are common, funny girls are real sweet. I don't say these words often, loving you has left me weak. But let's take a walk down a brick road, click your heels and we'll be there. I want you, do you want me to?
Don't you just love when you find a lost gem in one of your bags? That or money, it's perfect. This Saint Laurent tote bag I picked up last year and I did not get like anywhere out of it, so I'm really excited to break it out this fall winter.
Be complaining, and I'll be saying yeah, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Oh, every heart in the world.
And here is the complete bag collection, all organized perfectly on my Billy bookcase. I think this was the perfect choice for me. I love how it looks in my room. I love how it stores my bags. I think the glass doors really help in terms of your bags not collecting dust or anything like that. And so I just 10 out of 10 would recommend. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and hopefully I can provide an answer. Please like this video and consider subscribing and joining my growing YouTube family. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Would that be